In this video, I'll show you how to connect laptop to mobile hotspot. You can see right here, our computer is not connected to any hotspot, right? So just ensure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. At first, you need to on the hotspot on your PC. Sorry, you need to on the hotspot on your smartphone, your iOS, your tablet, any Android device or smartphone you're using, right? Swipe down from the settings, turn on your mobile hotspot and your data should be on, right? Once you are done, click on this available. You'll be displayed with the available Wi-Fi connections, right? That is the available hotspot. So I think how to do is right here. So if you want to connect to it, just click on it, right? Then you're gonna input your password, right? So this is our password. Once I'm done, I'll click on the next, and yeah, our system would be connected automatically. So this is basically how you can connect laptop to mobile hotspot. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.